Do you know what do a pair of linear equations look like geometrically? Either the lines may intersect at a point like this. When solved algebraically, the pair of linear equations has unique solution. Or the lines may be coincidental. When solved algebraically, we get infinitely many solutions. Or we may get parallel lines. When solved algebraically, we get no solution at all. So, when solved algebraically, we may get solution or may not get solution. If we have at least one solution, the pair of linear equations is said to be consistent. If we do not get solution, the pair of linear equations is said to be inconsistent pair of equations. If we get only one solution, means unique solution, each equation is independent of other. If we get infinitely many solutions when solved algebraically, each equation is dependent on other. Can you tell if the lines are intersecting, coinciding or parallel without drawing graph? Yes, by comparing the ratios of coefficients. That means by comparing a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Here is a pair of linear equations. Let us compare the ratios. Here a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4, that is minus half, c1 by c2 is 0 by minus 20. From this we can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So, the lines intersect at a point when we plot the graph. When solved algebraically, we get unique solution. The system of a pair of linear equation is said to be consistent. Here is another pair of linear equation and a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is half. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, that is also half. c1 by c2 is minus 9 by 18, that is also half. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the lines are coincident when we graph the equation. When solved algebraically, we get infinitely many solutions. The pair of linear equations is said to be consistent pair of equation. Here is another example. Here a1 by a2 is half, b1 by b2 is 2 by 4, that is also equal to half, c1 by c2 is minus 4 by 12, that is 1 by 3. Here we can observe that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. So here we get parallel lines. When solved algebraically, we won't get any solution and the pair of equations is said to be inconsistent. Here are some practice questions for you to practice. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4.